Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about setInterval. So basically setInterval is a native function in JavaScript, and we can say it is like a method repeats the given function at every given time interval. Then it is often used to tasks that need to be performed on a regular basis, such as updating live data, animation, and uh, periodic uh, periodic checks. This function is generally used for like uh, like updating live data and instantly for that, fetching the APIs, like that. Set interval having the syntax which takes the parameters like function, then it is basically a millisecond of time on that which will be executed or rerun again and again, and parameter 1 and parameter 2, which are the optional parameters. So millisecond indicate the length of time interval between each execution, like each iteration how much time it will get delay. We can see here the function get, we just declare and set interval, like we are calling the function with the help of this, and by providing this delay time or interval time, we can say, and it will be rerun after 1 second. This is the syntax. And next one is JS is the synchronous or asynchronous. So basically synchronous code execution is refers to a default behavior of language. So basically JavaScript is a synchronous language where statement executed sequentially one after another in other appear in code. So what does mean of synchronous? Synchronous means code is executed sequentially one by one without delaying code. When code is synchronous, if a particular task while finished it calls to entire program to freeze or become unresponsive until that task is completed. So JavaScript is the synchronous language. While executing the current code, it blocks all the code of whole project. So the JavaScript is a synchronous, and a synchronous code which doesn't block the code which runs simultaneously on particular project.